Hey YouTube, we have been doing some home improvements lately, and we've added some more luxury vinyl plank to different rooms in our house. Last year, I discovered this product because when we put our new flooring in, when we moved our refrigerator, it scratched a piece in our floor. We were trying to be as careful as we could, but mistakes happen and accidents happen. And so for those reasons, it's good to have something on hand that you can help kind of remedy whatever accidents you have. As you can see, I've scratched a little place in this vinyl plank, and I bought this off Amazon. I'm pretty sure it's called Scratch Concealer. Eliminates the white on luxury vinyl, and it's called Wear Max. And so what you do is you just take this and squeeze it. Just put a little on your vinyl plank. You don't usually do this with your finger, but I'm working one-handed here. And then you take a soft cloth and kind of buff that in and wipe up the excess. Wipe up the rest as best as you can. And as you can see, it kind of camouflages where that scratch was. Now I'm on the side, so of course I think I can still see it's right here, but from above it looks a lot better where it camouflages that white where you can't see it. Now I made this scratch on purpose and it was deep. I'm going to see if we can find the scratch that's on my floor down here. This is where I scratched my floor, and I don't even know where it's at anymore. So I was just going to show you this product. If you have a scratch in your luxury vinyl plank flooring, you just put this on and it cures, and it removes that white mark where people can see. That's really obvious. So thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day, and I hope you, if you needed this product, you find it and it helps you out. Have a great day.